Are your StreamElements Facebook alerts not working? Well, we've got a quick fix. Now, first of all, we got to do some troubleshooting, so stick with us on this one. Number one, proper dimensions in OBS. When you add a browser source in OBS, it automatically defaults to 800 by 600 when it should be 1920 by 1080. To add your source, let's go through this. All you got to do is go to StreamElements, My Overlays, click the three dots and then copy the URL. Go to OBS, add a source with the plus symbol. Select Browser, name it Alerts, then click OK. Paste your alerts link in the URL. Now here's where everyone gets it wrong. Change the width and the height to 1920 by 1080. Hit OK and go back into your StreamElements account and hit Edit on your alerts theme. Select Emulate, click the Preview Live on Stream, then select an alert to test it. It should show up in OBS now. All right, so the next troubleshooting method here is number two. You're gonna need to refresh the cache. Sometimes OBS needs a little bit of a gentle nudge, and it needs to be kind of reminded, you just added something in there. So you're gonna right-click the alert source, then select Properties. Scroll down and click Refresh Cache of Current Page, then click OK. And then much like we did in the last step, you're just gonna hit Emulate and you're gonna go ahead and test it and it should pop up in OBS. Troubleshoot number three, adjust size. If your canvas is only 1280 by 720 and your alerts is 1920 by 1080, well, you can see there's a little bit of an issue because your alerts are larger than your canvas. Select your alert source to highlight it on the canvas. Right-click the source, then hover over Transform. Then select Fit to Screen. Do not change the size of the alert source inside the settings, all right? You don't want to put it down to 1280 by 720 or anything else. You're going to want to make sure you just squeeze it on down on the canvas itself. You can actually do that by clicking and dragging on the box and moving it wherever you like, but when it's larger than the canvas, you can actually make it smaller with the transform. Real simple. Troubleshooting number four, Facebook is to blame. All right, Facebook, it is their sandbox. We're just playing in it, and every now and then they change the API for whatever reason, and StreamElements is kind of left here going, what do I do with this? I don't know. So every now and then, if the alerts aren't going off, then something is probably going wrong on Facebook. I'd recommend that you go over to StreamElements Discord and maybe ask questions inside there. And we've actually got a link inside the description down below, and it's also here on the screen. And speaking of StreamElements Facebook alerts in OBS, we show you how to do it in under 10 minutes. That's right, breakneck fast right over here in this video. And also, if you've already seen that video and you know what you need to do, go ahead and take a look at this other one. It'll probably give you some good information. YouTube thinks you'll like it. See you there.